Hey homeowners, this is Dustin from Golden Rule. Winter's coming and frozen pipes can turn into a nightmare if you're not prepared. Let's talk about 5 easy steps to winterize your plumbing and avoid costly repairs. First, drain and disconnect your garden hoses. You might think leaving them attached isn't a big deal, but trapped water can freeze, expand, and burst your pipes. A burst pipe isn't just a mess, it can cost you thousands in repairs, not to mention the headache of water damage. Next, let's talk about outdoor faucets. Grab some faucet covers, super cheap and easy to install to keep the cold out. If your house is older, you may need to shut off and drain the pipes leading to those faucets too. Third tip, check your home for any exposed pipes. If you find any places like your basement, garage, or crawl spaces, wrap them up in insulation. Pipe insulation sleeves are your best friends here. Another tip, keep your eye on your indoor temperature. If you're leaving for the holidays, don't set your thermostat lower than 55 degrees. It might seem like a way to save money, but frozen pipes cost way more. Finally, run your faucets a little during super cold nights. Just a small trickle of water. It helps relieve pressure in the pipes and can stop them from freezing. A little drip of water might seem wasteful, but it's a lot cheaper than fixing a frozen pipe. These 5 tips might only take you an hour, but they could save you from winter plumbing disasters. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips coming your way from Golden Rule. Stay warm, everyone.